So, hi viewers, I'm here again with another very interesting video. This is about SAP Fiori Launchpad, a new interface that is linked with SAP S/4HANA that is going to replace sometime in future your SAP GUI access maybe. And so this is a very interesting video, an introductory session. This will be the initial look and feel of the SAP Fiori Launchpad and a high level overview. So please subscribe to my channel as the detailed videos will follow soon. What are we going to cover in this session? As I mentioned, just a very high level overview. We are not going to create, we are not going to post any data. It is just to give you a feel and look of the SAP Fiori Launchpad, business processes in financial accounting, chart of accounts, general ledger accounting, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, bank accounting, closing operations. These are all you can do or you are doing at present from SAP GUI, but we are going to see whether and how the SAP Fiori Launchpad looks like, and uh, how we can access or how we can reach the program that we are working on, that we are looking for. And again, please subscribe to my channel for detailed lessons. There are many other videos as well. So do subscribe so that you can get the notification and you are aware of that new video is uploaded. And then without wasting any time, let's continue to SAP Fiori Launchpad and see how it looks like. So just a quick reminder how the SAP GUI Easy Access looks like, and many of you who are working on SAP is aware of that. You can see the menus on the top. A menu bar, then you can see the command button where you can type the transaction code. You can see print, find, move up and down, close, and then you have all these SAP Easy Access menus like logistics, accounting, human resources, or information system tools, and all other nodes that you have to work through to reach your target program or target screen. Some people who are using the similar programs over and over on daily basis actually remember all those. All those transaction code by heart, they do not have to go through these menus. But many people who are new and can't remember the things properly still have to go through these menus and have to use these nodes. Now let's see how the SAP Fiori Launchpad looks like as compared to this SAP Easy Access menu. So this is your very first look of SAP Fiori Launchpad. As you can see, a completely different view. The people who have not seen this before will definitely be happy to see this. People who have worked on SAP GUI, user interface, which is very old-fashioned, very out of date kind of app. And another thing is obviously SAP GUI is something you have to download, and then you have to establish a connection to the server, remote access program that you have to configure before you can access SAP server, SAP database. This is a browser based application. So after launching your after entering your password and key login IDs, you will see this dashboard kind of dashboard kind of a look, and which is very good. The first experience, the first look is very impressive. You can see all these menu items on top of your SAP Fiori Launchpad, which you used to see on your left side before, in form of nodes and sub nodes. Here, then you can see these tiles now called apps in SAP Fiori available, and allow you to simply click and go kind of experience. You can rearrange these tabs, these tiles, just like simply drag and drop. That will simply help you the correct order the way you want to work in. And all the tiles are available here. If you do not know, if you don't see the item that you are looking for, you can simply type and reach that item. For example, we can say create GL account posting. You can see the suggestions are there. You can simply click and go to your target screen from here. You can create master data, like you can create new GL code, you can manage chart of accounts, you can display the reports, line item display report, balance sheet report, trial balance report. You can manage hierarchies and simply click and go experience, increase your efficiency and enhance your productivity, unlike SAP GUI where you have to go and search a lot unless until you remember all the transaction code by heart. Similarly to this, if I go to accounts payable section, you can see all the accounts payable relevant apps programs are displayed here. And in accounts payable, you can manage supplier master data, you can display supplier list, you can create invoicing. Very straightforward. Create master data, display list of supplier, create invoices, post outgoing payments, enter recurring payments, change recurring payments, and display supplier balances. Kind of order that you normally follow in your business operations, is in your business processes. You can do a foreign currency valuations. All these things you are able to do in SAP GUI, but in SAP Fiori Launchpad, these are very easily accessible. And another very good, nice enhancement is, like, you can see aging analysis straight away. How the old long outstanding payables from, for example, just simply clicking on this one, this will show you the long outstanding payable. You can straight away see the amount of that long outstanding payable. You can simply see the entire payable side by just clicking one thing. And here you go, you can see the how many invoices you have parked, how many invoices you are still payable, aging invoices, and you can see the blocked invoices, you can see the invoices due, and all these tiles in just one click. You do not have to run thousands of reports, hundreds of reports here and there. You simply can run by this, and you can see all the data in just one click. Very, very, very impressive, very impressive. And you can simply then click and go and see what these blocked invoices are, what these aging payables are, why they are still not paid now, why they are still not clear. And then it will provide you with this quick links over here, so that you can monitor payments, you can display supplier balances, you can manage payment blocks, you can manage supplier line item data from here onward. If you want, if any further actions are required from here, if you want to, then you can filter out on the basis of the company code data. You can filter out on the basis of supplier. You can filter on account clerk, country, reconciliation account, and many other filters that you can use to narrow down the search and reach your target supplier, or reach your target invoice, or reach your target screen. To go back, if you want to just go, simply click SAP, and you are back on the screen. You can see the number of business master, number of suppliers straight away. You can see the aging debts, aging balances straight away. You can have that overview in just one click, and you can carry out your business operations, business as usual operations, very easily. Just click and complete the task. So accounts payable, account receivable is similar to accounts payable, but here you can see many tiles that are linked with this with the accounts receivable. It will give you a tile that you can straight away work on. Like there is one open payment not posted. You can straight away see through the dial instead of running a report. And you can maintain business partner. You can create the master record. You can do the changes. You can display the list of the customer and create invoice, post incoming payment, clear incoming payment. You can create customer disputes, valuations. You can overdue receivables, 100% overdue receivables. Obviously this is not 100%, this is just a training thing. And doubtful accounts, just like accounts payable. You can have account receivable overview. If I just simply click account receivable overview, it will give you a overview of the account receivable, with all the balances and information in just one view. Taking some time. Let's wait, otherwise I will go back instead of wasting time on this one. It is very similar to the accounts payable overview, where you can see all the data in one screen. So I am going back over here. If I go to asset accounting, you can create assets, you can create asset history sheets, you can post retirements of asset, you can reverse journal entries, very common with asset accounting. You can display asset, you can change asset, you can see the depreciation list, you can see the asset balances, and you can see the asset accounting overview is again similar to what we have seen. Let's see if we can able to see something over here. There is no data, I believe, so that is why it is not producing any result. Let's give it one more try. No. Okay. Then the bank relationship management. You can create banks, manage bank accounts. You can post cash journals. You can manage check deposits. You can process bank statement items. The very good enhancement. You can straight away see how many items are in the bank statements are need to be processed, and then you can manage bank statements. Then closing activities, all those closing activities which are linked with closing, foreign currency valuations, GRIR clearance, task lists as part of closing cockpit. That is something new with SAP S/4HANA, that you can now work on SAP closing cockpit, which allow you to create a kind of a program for closing, assign groups, assign tasks, assign lists, assign users, and each user will carry out their activities. So very good enhancement. You can see open and closing posting periods. You can also see this transaction code is mentioned over here. So something everyone remembers, the transaction code. Environment and like environment, batch sessions, spools, foreign exchange rates, all those basis, or not entirely basis, but technical kind of things that linked with the environment tab. Then there is material management, sales and distribution, and all other things. So this is a very quick overview of the SAP Fiori Launchpad, which is linked with S4 HANA. And so I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe as more detailed videos are coming soon. I will be posting some data. I will be creating some reports. I will be creating account receivables, account payables, and we will create an asset and do some bank accounting as well. So that will really help you out in understanding the SAP Fiori Launchpad. So please do subscribe and do like my channel. And if you want to learn some other things, there are so many other videos on Excel, on PowerPoint, and Visual Basic that you can get benefited from. So please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. Thank you.